So today we're here with Adam from Niagara Falls. Adam, thank you for doing this. We really appreciate it. And on our program at The Ideal You successfully lost 53.6 pounds, 36 inches, that's 3 feet, in 14 weeks. You were averaging almost 4 pounds a week. How did you first hear about The Ideal You?
At work, we have the radio on, and during any downtime, you hear the commercials in the background between the songs. Ideal You is one of the prominent commercials. So I went on the website and was scrolling down, just trying to check it out. And I saw a picture of a friend's mom, actually.
Oh.
So I said, well, there's someone I know that did this and had success at it. So the first thing I did was send her a message and asked about her mom's experience. And that kind of convinced me just to at least make that first phone call.
Tell me some of the healthy habits that you now incorporate in your daily life.
Absolutely. So I think about that 50 pounds every time I pick up my son, actually. I lost approximately his weight. So every time I pick him up, I really notice and feel that's what it was like before starting this journey. And I've absolutely continued with the veggies and the hydration. Those are the two big ones that I think I did not factor into my life before.
Do you think you're going to be successful in maintaining this new weight? And if so, why do you think you'll be able to be successful?
It's going to be something that I can maintain. I was on phase 1 for about 14 weeks, and we're just about 15 weeks or so removed from phase 1. And I've not only maintained, I've been able to lose a couple more pounds in the meantime. So
fantastic.
Definitely lifestyle changes.
And what do you think about some of our technology, our body composition analyzer scale, where we run that tape and we look at your muscle and your fat and your hydration and your visceral fat to monitor those things, to make sure you're not losing muscle and to make sure if you're losing weight or losing the fat. Was that inspirational for you?
Absolutely. I loved going in on the week when I knew I was going to get the tape.
Oh, good.
I think it adds a sense of legitimacy to it, other than just knowing I'm losing the weight, that's great. But to see how the weight is coming off and how it's actually affecting your health, it's a huge difference.
So when you see pictures of you from 6 months, a year ago, what do you think about when you look at that bigger person?
I'm a little upset that I didn't start the program sooner. I look at pictures from my birthday last year, and actually a golf tournament that I did the day before I started the program. And that's a completely different person that I see in those pictures.
One of the things that we try to give all of our dieters, our clients, are tips and tricks, how to maneuver parties, how to maneuver a vacation. Did you have any challenges with, you're a big Bills fan, any challenges with Bills parties? Tell us about that.
So I have 2 great examples I can think of. One, we were on vacation and we wanted to go out to a nice Italian restaurant. So that's pasta and bread and carbs. And I was right in the middle of phase 1.
Okay.
On the menu, they had zucchini noodles though.
Perfect.
So it was zucchini noodles with red peppers and
nice
mushrooms. Salad. I felt invited and involved at the dinner. And I started this phase 1 journey a week or 2 before Bill's season last year.
Oh, wow.
Which is right before tailgates and chicken wings and beer. I brought some cut up veggies. I got the extra lean ground beef to make my own burger.
There you go.
And I made it work.
Great. Well, thank you again. We really appreciate this, Adam. Awesome. Tell all your friends.
It works for me, and I know it'll work for other people.